Hi, in the previous video we learnt about the format of the partner's capital account and the partner's current account when capital accounts are maintained under the fixed capital method. In this video we will do an example sum for demonstrating the fixed capital method. Let's go to the example. Example: show how the following will be recorded in the accounts of the firm of Arul and Vikram when fixed capital method is being followed. We have particulars given to us. The capital balance of Arul and Vikram is given as 4 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively. There are current account balances also given. On the 1st of April 2018, Arul has a debit balance in his current account rupees 2000, whereas Vikram has a credit balance in his current account rupees 3000. Additional capital introduced on 1st October 2018 by Arul is 70,000. Withdrawal of capital on 1st January 2019 by Vikram, 30,000. Drawings during the year ended 31st March 2019. This refers to drawings from profits. It's 50,000 for both of them. Interest on capital amount is given. Interest on drawings, the amount is given. The share of profit for the year ended 31st March 2019. In the case of Arul, it's 30,000 rupees. For Vikram, it is rupees 20,000. The partner's salary for Arul is given as rupees 24,000. For Vikram, it's nil. And the partner's commission for Arun, it's nil. And for Vikram, it's given as for rupees 15,000. Now, as we learnt already the fixed capital method, we have two accounts which have to be prepared. The first one is called the partner's capital account and the second one is called the partner's current account. So we will begin with the preparation of the partner's capital account. The sum is in the top. I have split the window horizontally into two. The solution is at the bottom. So let's begin by preparing the partner's capital account. Partner's capital accounts. Left side debit side, right side credit side. Date, particulars, and the names of each of them: Arul and Vikram. And also on the credit side again, date, particulars, Arul and Vikram. It's a partner's capital account. We'll start by bringing down the balance of the partner's capital account at the beginning of the accounting period. Date 2018, 1st April. By balance brought down. The next item in the partner's capital account: additional capital introduced. The date is 1st October 2018. 1st October by bank account for additional capital introduced. Arul is the only one who's introduced capital, 70,000. Vikram has withdrawn from capital on 1st January 2019. to bank account for the withdrawal of capital against Vikram 30,000. All the items which have to come in the partner's capital account is done. We'll balance the account. Credit side total is greater. Balancing figure for Arul 4,70,000. And for Vikram, greater total on credit side rupees 3 lakh, and the balancing figure 3 lakh minus 30,000, which is 2 lakh 70,000. Next year, 1st April 2019, balance brought down by balance brought down. The partner's capital account has been prepared. Next, we will prepare the partner's current account. On either side, date particulars, Arul and Vikram. We need to bring down the balance of the partner's current account. When we check the question, we find that Arul has a debit balance in his current account, whereas Vikram has a credit balance in his account. For Arul's debit balance of the account, 2018, 1st April, to balance brought down 2,000. And for Vikram's credit balance, 2018, 1st April, by balance brought down. Next, drawings during the year ended 31st March 2019. For Arul, it's given as 50,000. For Vikram also 50,000. The other items will come at the end of the accounting period. Two drawings. $50,000 for Arul and the same 50,000 for Vikram. Interest on capital, again at the end of the accounting period. By interest on capital. 23,500 for Arul, and 14,625 for Vikram. Interest on drawings. $1,500 each for Arul and Vikram. Share of profit by profit and loss appropriation account. 30,000 for Arul, 20,000 for Vikram. Partner salary. $24,000 for Arul and none for Vikram. By partners commission. None for Arul and 15,000 for Vikram. Now let's balance the account. We'll begin with Arul. The total on the credit side for Arul is 77,500, and the total of the debit side for Arul is 53,500. Arul has a closing credit balance greater total 77,500. Difference is 24,000. Arul has a closing credit balance. The total for Vikram, the credit side total for Vikram is 52,625. And the debit balance for Vikram total is 51,500. Vikram has also got a closing credit balance, the greater total being on the credit side 52,625. Closing balance 1,125. We need to bring this down the next accounting period. (2019) 1st April. By balance brought down. For Arul it's 24,000, and for Vikram it's 1,125 rupees. We've completed the current account. I'll remove the split and we can view both the accounts together. So this was the partner's capital account, the first account that we prepared. As we saw, the partner's capital account will have only a credit balance. And after we prepared the partner's capital account, we prepared the partner's current account. So this is the partner's current account. The opening balance was a debit balance for Arul of 2000 and a credit balance for Vikram 3000. The closing balance, however, is a credit balance for both of them, 24,000 for Arul and 1,125 for Vikram. So we've learnt how to prepare the partner's capital account and the partner's current account in the fixed capital method.